Okay, let's start with red. Ugh, I'm not feeling that. Let's see what you've got, green. Nope, not any better. Come on, purple. No, not at all. Black, you're my last hope. Ooh, a bad boy. I like. You'll do just fine. Wow! Look at this place! Black versus pink! I'll go first this time. Ta-da! I've never seen anything like it. But it sure is pretty. Wait, you hear that? Sounds pretty. I can't get this thing open. And for me? Ooh, I hope it's nice and cold. Well, bottoms up. There we go. Mmm, so chocolatey. What do you say to a little experiment? First, I'll pour the drink in here. Should fill up the whole glass. Nice! Now for the pink sprinkles. That's your cue, Brittany. But I'll do the honors. And just like that, I've got 2! Here you go. Ready? Let's get our drink on! Delicious! Mmm! Hey! Don't hog it all! Must suck faster! Who will finish it first? Almost there! You wanna play games? Bring it on! Ha! Battle in 3, 2, 1, fight! It's every straw for themselves! Whoa! Watch out for those feet, girl! I don't think so. Ha! Wait! Is that a dolphin? Do I dare? Obviously. Whoa! That was too easy! Whoa! And black wins this round. That's right. I won. There are so many people I want to thank. Aw, this is too kind. You know how to make a gal blush. Is there any better reward than a giant chocolate bar? Snap out of it, Claire! You mean it isn't real? Why did you wake me up? Ugh. Alright, let's see what we've got this time. Yes! Donuts! This is so fun! I love a good donut in the morning. This looks nice and fresh. And take a look at those sprinkles. Hello. Nice to meet you. I brought you this. Huh? What do you think it is? Oh, he's gone. Must have been some sort of wizard? Well, I guess I'll open it and pour it onto my donut. Look how sparkly it is! I love glitter! Whoa! Wow! My donut is huge! I can't wait! I'm gonna take a bite right now! Oh, nice! That was a good bite. How's it taste? Can't talk! Eating! My donut looks a little sad in comparison. I wish my donut was huge, too. I would love it and take care of it for always. Make sure it stays warm and fresh. At least until I eat it. I bet it would taste delicious, too. Whew, what a dream. Well, I might as well sprinkle this on my donut, too. I bet it's gonna be the biggest donut ever! What? How is this fair at all? Oh my gosh! That's hilarious! It's so tiny! You think it's funny, huh? Well then take this! Hey! Look at it now! It's even bigger now! That's what you get! I don't think you should bite that. Oh. Well, I might as well eat this. Man, I miss my donut. Ooh! Cool! Mine's cola flavored. Shall we? Oh yeah! Let's get shaken! This is quite the workout! There! What about mine? That really works! It's ice cold! So is mine! We'd better eat them before they melt. Hello there! So nice and icy. How about mine? Bon appetit! That was weird. Man, these sure are yummy. Delicious! It makes me feel kinda powerful. Almost weightless. Huh? Seriously? Okay, this is incredible! What else can I move? This is so good! See something there, Claire? And to make it more interesting… Whoa! Watch it! Time to bring in the big guns! Brittany! No! Huh? Claire? Whatever. This is fun! What? Am I still alive? A T-Rex! Ah! I can get used to this. It's like they're my little friends. My popsicle! The whole thing melted! Does that mean no more powers? What a bummer. Whoa! Look at mine. It's spinning! Hey! Mine spins too! Woo! Ooh! Looks like we've got some bubble tea this time. I love bubble tea! It's so good and refreshing. I don't know. I've always been afraid to try one. Wait. Why are you using a spoon? Stop, stop, stop! Don't open it that way! It's fine. I've got it under control. That is totally not the way you're supposed to do this. Alright, I'm ready with my spoon to go all the way down. There we go. I've got some bubbles. Time to try them. Oh. Huh. They're interesting. Wow. I actually like them. You're so weird. Just use a straw like a normal person. What do you mean? Oh. You can just stab it right through. See? And the straw is big enough for the bobas, too. Oh. I've got a call from Olivia. I'll be right back. Hi, Olivia! Now that she's gone, I don't mind if I do. I wonder what hers tastes like. Ah, so good. I know. I drank the whole thing. No, no, no. I've got to do something. Okay. I'll have to recreate her drink before she gets back. Let's see. They have to be around here somewhere. There we go! Cow spotted! Good thing I know how to milk a cow. Okay, got the milk. But what's next? It's gotta be pink, so I need something pink. This flower should work. It's so pretty, and it smells so good. Okay, you just sit right here. I've gotta mash you. I'm gonna need these scissors, too. I'll start with these petals. Okay, that should be enough. Now for the mallet. Nice! They're ready to go into the milk. I'll just sprinkle them inside. Time for a little shaking to make sure everything is mixed. You know what? I think I could use some leaves, too. Just snip a few more off. And it's mallet time again. There we go. Okay, I'll just roll these up into little balls. Perfect! And into the drink you go. It can't be a bubble tea without some sort of bubbles. I'll just give it one more shake. Okay, I'll need to take the straw out of the drink. Good thing I always carry a funnel. And into the cup the new drink goes! Done! Just gotta put the straw back in. Phew, I did it! That was a close one. Here she comes. Just play it cool. Still using your spoon, huh? Well, suit yourself. I'll stick with my straw. So good, right? Yeah. Definitely.